Welcome back to the Rugged Rockhound. This will be part 3 of cutting on the same day. So you've already seen the first two, the previous couple weeks. And this is going to be the last one. I think we'll just do one more and that's good enough for today. So here we go. I've got some bigger ones lined up, so I'm excited. Let's get some of these bigger ones cut and see what we got inside. Starting off with one of the nice Chalcedony, agate, whatever, nodules from Red Hill last year. One of the big ones we hadn't cut yet. And, okay, we got a few water lines in it. Not the greatest. It does have a little pocket with some botryoidal. Overall, a decent piece, but I definitely have better ones. And another big nodule from the Red Hills last year, I think. Yeah, this was the last year one. Hey, we got water lines in this one. Oh, and maybe a little bit more going on in there too. Well. That's kind of nice. Don't you think? That's a keeper. All right, Levan Black Agate, what do you have for me today? Oh, nice. Looks a lot like the other stuff I've been getting. The past couple ones I cut open were definitely better, but this is still nice. That is still good. Another one of the big nodules from Red Hill last year. And, oh, okay, so this has a little bit of agate banding. And then the center of it turned toward quartz crystal with a little bit of pocket right in the middle. Yeah, that's a decent one. So here we have a big dark piece of jasper that I do remember collecting at the Little Sahara Chimney Rock area, and I was just curious about it. And oh, it's even better on the inside than the outside. Look at that. Let me hold it at the right distance. Oh, that is neat. Okay, it is better on the inside than I actually thought it was going to be. That dark contrast is really cool. Here's some of that agate jasper from out near Yellowcat area. And yeah, looks like I kind of thought it would. Those yellow stripes are nice though. Decent piece. Here we have one of the last remaining large pieces of black agate from Levan that I had yet to cut. Oh, I flipped it around when I brought it over. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful material. I think I'll just slab and polish these as they are. Eventually, down the road, whenever I get to it. Whenever I have the tools to do it. And for the final one today, some of you may remember this was the largest agate chalcedony nodule that Tim and I found last year. And this is the one Tim found that we've been waiting to cut. I could see from the outside it had water lines. I finally got it cut, and so he's probably going to see it for the first time now. Unless he comes visit me before I air this, but here it is. Whoa! Whoa, this is a good one. Well, look at that. Tim, you found a great piece. Yeah, here's the other side. Look at that. Those are some excellent water lines. A lot going on inside of it too. Sweet. And that's all for today. What a way to end. Some of those big ones, beautiful. And good job, Tim, finding that big nodule, that last one. I hope you enjoyed these 3 successive cutting videos I posted, split up. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time, remember, there is treasure everywhere.